everybody, it's Thursday and I just wanted to check in with you and see how you were all doing after last week's episode of The Benefits of Living Alone. Today I'm going to share with you an app in which you can make $5 in under 3 minutes. Being on a fixed budget, I wanted some extra birthday money and I managed to earn $89. It may not seem like much, but it's some quick extra cash. So if you'd like to learn how to make $5 in under 3 minutes, keep watching. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to streetbees.com, or you can go to the Play Store or the App Store because it's available in an app on both iOS and Android. Once you get to the site, you're going to scroll to where it says Become a Bee and you're going to join. If you click on this link, you can see some of the live stories that are available for you to earn money on. You scroll through, you pick the story you want, you answer the questions, you submit the photo, and within 48 hours, you're paid. It's that simple. If you click on this, you'll see the stories that you were submitted and were approved for or were paid. As you can see here, since I started in May, I've answered quite a few stories, and I've gotten approved for most of them. A couple of them that I was rejected on, I realized that I wasn't qualified to answer the story, so I stopped in the middle of it. Usually the only reasons you'll get rejected is because you stop in the middle of it or because the photos weren't clear or your receipt wasn't clear. As you can see, in all the stories I've done, I've only been rejected twice. The first thing after you submit a story, it will say submitted for review. Once it's approved, it'll say approved next to it, and finally, once it's paid, it will say paid, and you will get a notification in your email saying that you were paid into your PayPal account. Now I'm going to go over to PayPal and show you how legit it is and what I've earned. As you can see here, I started Street Bees in May. I answered 38 stories, and I got paid $45 so far. As you can see here, I've earned all this in May. And in June, I took out an $89 withdrawal for my birthday, and between June 24th and June 26th, I've already earned $15. Recently, they've added some $5 stories, which are really great. In less than 3 minutes, you can earn $5 on those stories. In the Play Store, it has an overall rating of 4.1. Most people are pretty satisfied with it. Some people are saying the stories aren't readily available, but it really depends on the area of the country or what country you live in. I haven't seen that problem in the US. There's pretty much at least one story every day, and most stories are $2. They range from 1 to 5. So even if you have one story a day, every day for a month, it's very easy to make $30 to $60 a month in just a couple of minutes a day. I've just showed you proof. I'll put the link down below. Have some fun, earn some money, have a wonderful rest of the week,